Hi friends, welcome to Code World channel. I'm your Basha. Video we are going to discuss about strings briefly. We are going to discuss some inbuilt methods involved in strings concept. Let me open my text editor to show you. To print string, I'm going to print string Basha in double quotes. We can use single quotes, right? Control P. Let's see the output. Hey, first we have to define the string, right? A string in Python is sequence of characters. Strings are immutable. This means that once defined, they cannot be changed. There are some methods such as replace, join, and some more methods to modify the strings. However, they do not modify the original string. And we can create a variable. With this variable, we can access the string. Let me show that. Okay. We'll create a variable str and double quote. See this. Okay, wait. This variable we can access the string. Let me execute this. Control B. See the output. A string is a text or normal message in general. Here I am going to discuss the methods that are length method, isUpper and isLower method, and upper, lower, and replace, finally index methods. There are many methods in strings, but these are the most common methods in generally many of them are using. Method is a function which is a block of code which do a certain work for us. Let me explain all this with an examples. Okay. First, I take a string and I have printed it. Okay. To find length of this string, find how many characters are this string, I'm using length method, that is len, and type str in it. What string we want to find length and run it. Control B. See that 10. Python count the space also as a character, right? This is the length method. And next I'm going to show you isUpper method. What isUpper method is do, in string all characters are upper letters, then all characters are capital, then it will give true, else it will give false. Let me show this. isUpper. Okay, execute. Control P. See, false. In our string some two characters are uppercase and all are in lowercase, right? And isLower also same, but isLower, if all characters are lowercase, it will give true, else it's false. Execute this. It's also false because at C and W are uppercase, right? So that why it's give false. Let me show another method. Upper method. This upper method do convert the all lower cases in our string to upper. This convert all the strings, all the characters in the string to upper. Let me execute this to show you. Control P. See, all the letters are in uppercase. Same as lower. It will convert all the letters in our string to lowercase. Control B. See, our capital C and capital W are converted into small c and small w, all are converted into lower. We can use two methods at once also, two or more methods also. Let me show this. I have discussed isLower, isUpper, right? And we can use this lower with isLower. If now by using lower, all characters are lower, right? Now we use isLower method, isLower. And now this part of code is str.lower convert all the characters in the string to lower, and isLower method return true when all are lower cases, else it will return false, right? Now it will return true, right? Example, will run this. See, true. If we give it to upper and we run this method, it will give false because all characters are upper by running str.upper method. If it will give ends upper, then it will give 2, right? And now let me discuss some more methods. I think you understand this. Next method I am going to discuss is replace method. We can replace some characters are something in our string to another. Let me show this. You will understand clearly by showing the example. str.replace, and it needs 2 parameters. What you give in brackets here in this with methods are called parameters. What we want to replace? I want to replace the word code. So code to what word we want to replace? I want to replace it into hello. And the word code in our string replace to hello. Let me see. Let me run this. See, hello world. But I already told that they do not modify the original string. With this method, do not modify the original string. Let me print that original string to show it clearly. Print str. See, original string remains as usually. That's why strings are immutable. Let me show the final method, index method. Index method. Before index method, we can access the characters in string like this. str0. It will give the C because the Python index the characters from 0 to start from 0. C as 0 and O1, D2 and E3, and it will count the space value also, space 4 and W5 like this. So the 0th one is C. If you want second one, C. Second one is D because 0 is C, 1 is O, second one is D, right? We can access the characters in string like this. We can use index method to see which character is indexed in which position. Let me explain with example. A string dot index and give the character which do you want to check the index value. If I give capital C, it will give the index value of capital C. Capital C is indexed in 0 position, right? So it will give the index value of capital C. Let me execute this. Control B. C. Capital C is indexed in 0 position. We can give a word also. Let me example word. It will give the position, index position of the word. Word starts. So Control B. So W is indexed in 5th one. So from W it starts a word. So it will give 5 as output. These are some main methods used along with strings. There are many more methods in strings. Okay, that's it about this video, friends. See you soon in next video. If you like my videos, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.